Hello, this is Taylor and Son Chevrolet here with a quick video on the 2005 Ford F-250 King Ranch Power Stroke. This is a diesel, it's a crew cab. It is not the long bed, it's four-wheel drive. Has a nice topper on it. It's an F-250 King Ranch. King Ranch trim level will come with a nice leather on the interior. Your body is in good condition. The topper is in excellent condition. There's one little scuff in the paint right underneath the 4x4 sign, right there. That should be pointed out. The condition of the camper and the inside of the bed is good. Go ahead and unlock this. So inside the bed you have a spray-on bed liner, which is in excellent condition. There's a net up on top for storage. Some power outlets back here the previous owner had installed for charging. This gentleman also put a step on his pickup truck that hinges off the rear tailgate to get into the back of the truck. So that folds down. He's got a little Velcro latch right there. Driver's side of the truck, great condition. There's a block heater cord hanging out there. The interior of the truck. Here is your King Ranch upholstery and trim level with your simulated wood grain, leather wrapped steering wheel, thick wrapped leather seats. Over on the passenger seat, there is a little white spot from paint that came with the truck when we took it on trade. Here's the back seat. This leather's in better condition. It really has not been used back here. You have storage underneath the seat. If you want, you can fold that up. Your F-250 King Ranch from Taylor & Son Chevrolet. It's a 2005. Please visit us at tschevy.com or 1-800-263-2138. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoy the video.